Welcome back, everybody. We are going to do another product review for you today on a product right over here. And this is sent to me from Farmers Defense. Now, I'm not 100% sure I know too much about the product. I know what it is, but I'm not 100% sure as to how it works. So we're going to check it out together, and we are going to just kind of cut through that. Okay, so what they sent me here is what this is right here. I'll show you what this is and I'll explain what it is in a minute. Let's open it up. I gotta put my old trusty glasses on and see what it is. So it comes right out. Okay, they give you a little Farmers Defense stickery over there. So what this is, basically, is it's an arm sleeve. Okay, so basically you take it like this. It's an arm sleeve, and you take it like this, and there's a hole over here where you're going to put your thumb through, and you're going to slide your arm in there part ways. You got to line it up first. Don't pull it on yet. It's the second time I'm doing this. You want to get your thumb in there first, like this. Then you want to pull this up your arm, like so. And you'll end up with something like this. Now, the good thing about this, and I really like this a lot, especially for someone like me who works with a lot of tomatoes and things like that. When I do a lot of tomato picking, I literally get covered with what's known as tomato tar, and it is messy. I throw clothes in the garbage because of it, or I have to just wear really bad clothes, stuff you don't mind destroying. But the tomato tar gets all over you, and this is a good alternative to me damaging my clothes. I can actually put this sleeve on, and it's very comfortable, very nice. It's smooth. It's very silky. Feels a little weird like at first, but it's very, very nice feeling. I'll bring it up to you. So you can see what it looks like on my arm. It's very silky. It just, that's all it does. It puts something over your palms. And it's a very nice concept. I really like it. Do the same thing. Again, you want to just slingity, sling, slang, sloom. You want to line it up. And then just pull it onto your hand first, and then slide it up. And there you go. You have your camo. Now, for me, this is also a good option. Like, believe it or not, I actually like the camo on it, which makes me think that this is also a good option for me when I go hunting and I'm not wearing a coat. Because sometimes, even though it's in the fall time, I might go hunting, oftentimes I can't fully camo my arms unless I'm putting like body paint on. I ain't going to do all of that. That's a lot of mess to clean up. I do like this option where I can still wear my short sleeve shirts and my arms don't feel like they're suffocating, and they protect my skin from this stuff on the outdoors. So any kind of, if you're going to do anything in fields where there's a lot of like stuff, debris and insects and stuff crawling around, this is a very good alternative to help you kind of swart that stuff off. It's very nice. It feels very, very comfortable. I definitely like the feel of it. It comes off real easy. Just go like that. Boom, she's gone. When they have like maybe a dozen or 2 dozen different types of patterns. Here's the green one. And you can see that the green one's also a nice fit. It's very comfortable, very nice. Very, very nice. Now this one here for me would be considered to be, it's extra large. So if you got big arms, you're going to want to go with the extra or triple extra large. These are a little snug for me, but they're still fine. Any small one, they would have been a little tight for me. So if you're ladies, for example, you want to order these sleeves, you're probably going to want to order them either large, like just large, to medium. It's going to be tight even on a lady's arm, right? So like just a regular guy's arm, you can see that it's kind of tight now, but it's not that tight. But if you've got skinnier arms like a woman, then you're going to want to go with the large or even medium. I don't know about small. I don't know how small is. So this particular one, made from recycled plastic bottles. So somehow this is plastic. That's a very interesting product. I've never seen anything like that. But yeah, it's a cool product. What I'll do is I will leave the links in the description below, and you can pick up the product at their website or on Amazon. I'm not sure where it is. You know, if I have a discount code, I'll include the discount code as well in the description below, and you can apply that and get a discount. But yeah, shoot on over there, give them a visit. If you're somebody who's always working in your garden and you want to avoid things bothering your skin, especially if you got sensitive skin, this is a good alternative to being able to protect yourself without having to wear long sleeve shirts, because I don't like wearing long sleeve shirts. They're very uncomfortable for me, but I don't mind putting something like this on and then taking it off when I'm done. I just never liked long sleeve shirts. That's me. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.